Hi guys, welcome to the second episode of a series that we started to celebrate the great Indian sporting heroes that we have had. और आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं एक ऐसे स्पोर्ट के बारे में जो इंडिया में ज्यादा लोग जानते नहीं है और उससे भी कम लोग उसको खेलते हैं, दैट इज स्क्वॉश और इंडियाज ग्रेटेस्ट सिंगल स्क्वॉश प्लेयर सौरव घोषाल। और सबसे बढ़िया है ही इज पार्ट ऑफ अ स्पोर्टिंग फैमिली। उसकी साली है दीपिका पल्लिकल, द ग्रेटेस्ट इंडियन फीमेल स्क्वॉश
Yeah, so he is married to Diya Palikal, who is like sister.
of दीपिका पालिकल। दीपिका पालिकल हस्बैंड है दिनेश कार्तिक। और डीके आई एम रियली सॉरी बट आपको भी ये मानने में कोई झिझक नहीं होगी दैट यू आर दी second greatest male sports person in your family. As the third greatest sports person overall.
Overall, no, but jokes aside.
Jokes aside, here what he has done for squash is amazing. 10 national championships is तो is a start. But when Sarthak will talk about in detail कि क्या उसने squash के लिए किया है, how he has brought India to the map of world's
I think like India में जितने लोगों को भी squash पता है as a sport, वो 99% is because Saurav Ghoshal started playing squash at such level. And I think his family, he is originally like he was born in Bengal, but then his family moved to Chennai and that's where he trained for squash. And he broke. Not just at the senior level, he broke to the on skiing at junior states when he won the British Junior Open title in 2004, becoming obviously the first Indian to achieve that feat. And then he won a silver at World Championship.
And the best thing was यार मतलब in 2013 when he became the first player to reach the quarterfinals, such a big achievement. मतलब Indian squash में नाम ने कभी ऐसा देखा था. We Indians always felt that our legs or our which fibers in our leg muscles in our genes is not made for playing squash, but he changed that narrative.
And it's such a niche sport, and especially because again for India, it's neither a very crowd puller nor वो Olympics में है till now. So I mean, for someone to take that sport and make it famous in India takes a lot of hard work and a lot of special talent. And one thing which I personally very biased about is longevity in sports. And to give you an example of Saurav Ghoshal's longevity, no, he became the first Indian singles player to win a singles medal in 2002 Commonwealth Games. Like Commonwealth Games was squash mein. He's the first single player to win a medal. And he achieved his career best ranking in 2019 and he retired this year.
He was number 10, I think.
Yeah, he reached number 10 ranking and he retired this year. So basically, he started playing in 2004, retired in 2024.
In such a physically
demanding sport to maintain that level and to compete. Like right now, I don't see any Indian male men's squash player who's in top 25 ranking of singles.
Yeah. And this is the start of his achievements. When we start telling you कि उसने एशियन गेम्स में क्या किया, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में क्या किया, मतलब दैट्स लाइक such an accomplished player.
And not just singles, यार उसके वर्ल्ड डबल्स चैंपियनशिप में he has won a couple of titles mixed doubles like
In Glasgow. He had a silver in Darwin in 16 as well.
Yeah.
इसके अलावा कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में he has 2 silver medals.
And overall, like I think on the tour, like Professional Squash Association का जो tour, like overall what you call the squash tournaments, he won 10 PCA titles, reaching 18 finals. And like in fact, in 2021, he won the Malaysian Open Squash Championship, and where he beat the top seed Miguel Rodriguez in the final. So he has consistently not just been like the 10s and 20s of the game, but also went on to beat the top players, continuously improved the game. Started in 2004, peak was 2019.
Yeah.
So that shows the amount of hard work that is put in, and it's all not about performing yourself. उन्होंने यार एक culture start कर दिया.
Exactly. And I think the greatest achievement that Saurav has ever had is the 24 Asian Games में 2014 Asian Games में जो singles में gold medal आया था. I think that is truly the first step wherein I thought
नहीं, singles में he won a silver, teams में India won a gold.
Asian में they won a gold 2014 में.
2014, I think, okay, but yeah, he won multiple medals. Yeah, so hard to keep a track of them.
Yeah, but he was the one who brought India to the squash map. He was the one who inspired players like Deepika or now Harvinder or the new squash.
And to win medals in a singles event in Commonwealth is no small feat, especially because here Commonwealth Games में there are certain countries such as Malaysia, Singapore who compete, and the level is much higher than probably, let's say, Asian Games or a smaller tournament.
Yeah, and I hope Saurav continues to he currently trains in England, but I hope he comes back to India time to time to inspire new generation.
And he had mentioned that he'll give it back to, he when he retired in his interview said that his dream is to open more squash schools and academies and to promote the game. And what if, let's say, squash eventually becomes a mainstream Olympic sport?
Yeah.
So that would be, and
we have new players coming in. We have this senior sensation called Anahat Singh,
She's 16-year-old who won a medal at junior.
And she's already the youngest national champion we have had, right?
Talking about national championship, Saurav Ghoshal won like a record 10 national championships.
And he hasn't played since 2020.
Yeah. I think he's like afterwards he competed very selectively, but yeah, he won 10 national championships. That's what I know of.
But I think, मतलब in this video, we just wanted to tell you कि ऐसे sporting heroes भी है which we people don't talk about a lot. But
I don't celebrate that much because I mean,
first of all, squash is not an Olympic sport.
yeah,
And it's not very crowd friendly. So and it's slightly expensive sport because
it's not something like which is very easy to pick up at the ground level. You need a special court.
yeah. So I think through this series we will continue to bring to you more such people, more such iconic sports persons.
Iconic legends who have taken a sport, put India on the world map, educated millions of Indians about the existence of that sport, and have single-handedly marked India's presence.
And brought laurels to the country.
And I think Saurav Ghoshal's achievement, even though he has won like tons of medals, his main achievement is not about his medals, but that he has inspired generations. Like everyone, like for us, squash meant Saurav Ghoshal when we were growing up.
In the next episode, we'll bring to you another such sporting legend from a very famous sport called football. We'll talk about Chunni Goswami and what he did for Indian football before it was in doldrums like it is right now. But
We'll talk about the golden era of the football in the next episode. And till then, please do let us know in your comment section if you want to hear many like stories of such underrated Indian sporting heroes and what Saurav Ghoshal and squash means to you. Thank you.
see you. Bye bye.